Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, leave a like and subscribe. We're back out here in Raytown. We are moments away from beginning straightening this half of the front foundation wall. As you can see, we have our interior set up in place. The 6x6s, 30-ton bottle jacks, angle iron. That is what we're going to use to straighten the wall. What we're doing right now, we are just very, very slightly going to raise the floor joists off the top of that foundation wall, just so when we are pushing the actual wall back to vertical, we're not scraping against any of the wood right there. So we want to make this as clean of a transition as possible. So we're going to have a couple 6x6s vertically just to keep everything supported while we straighten the wall. But again, as I explained in yesterday's video, this interior setup is going to remain in place until we get all the wall bracing installed. And the wall braces are what's going to be used to keep the wall vertical. So that, just wanted to do one quick video showing the setup, how we have the angle iron 6x6s. Again, it's just simple physics that we're using on straightening this wall. The excavation on the exterior is key, because as we've said in so many of our videos in the past, it's a lot easier to push against air than it is against earth. So once this setup's in place, I mean, it takes maybe a minute or two of extending these bottle jacks to straighten the wall back to vertical. So should be a very quick show, but again, I just wanted to do one quick video showing the setup. Once the straightening of the wall begins, we'll have a second video of that. So again, for all of those, you can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.